In this video we're going to look at how to convert different units of time. So the first question we have is to convert 3 hours into minutes. But before we do that, I'm just going to write up our conversion factors. So we have days, we have hours, we have minutes, and we have seconds. These are our units of measurement for time, our common ones, the ones we're going to be using right now. So a day, to get to hours, we will multiply by 24. And to get from hours to minutes, we multiply by 60. And minutes to seconds, we also multiply by 60. If we want to go the other way, it's the same but division. Divide by 60, divide by 60 to get from minutes to hours, and divide by 24 to get from hours to days. Okay, so now that's in the corner, we can start off by doing our first one. So let's look at A. We're going to convert 3 hours to minutes. So we know that to get from hours to minutes, we multiply by 60. So 3h is equal to 3 times 60 minutes, which is equal to 180 minutes. Now let's look at B. 240 seconds to minutes. 240 seconds. Well, if we're going to minutes, then we're dividing, because we're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So 240 seconds is equal to 240 divided by 60, which equals 4 minutes. Now we have C, 6 days to hours. So 6 days equals how many hours? Well, we're going from days to hours, so we're multiplying by 24. 24h, which is 144 hours. Okay, let's look at D. 1 week equals how many hours? Well, 1 week is 7 days, so that equals, immediately we multiply it by 7, so 7 days multiplied by hours, 24 hours per day, which is equal to, we'll just pull up our calculator for that one. 24 times 7. 168 hours. Now we have E, which is 1,440 seconds, is equal to how many hours? So it equals 1440, and we're going to divide it by 60 to get how many days, and we then divide by 60 to get how many hours, which is going to equal 4 hours. And F, we have 2 weeks in minutes. So that's 14 days, which is equal to 14 times 60, 14 times 60 hours, and which is equal, 14 times 24, 24 hours, and then we multiply it again by 60 to get minutes. So we'll just get rid of that h and times 60 to get minutes, which is equal to 14 times 24 times 60, which is equal to 20,160 minutes. So for these multi-stage ones, it's easier just to go from unit to unit. Both ways, you just convert to one, then take the next conversion factor and go to the other. For the others, it's pretty simple. Just need to recognize when you're going from smaller units to larger units and larger units to smaller units. Okay, so that's that done.